Hey guys, it's Lucilia here.
Hey, you got Jeffrey here. And your girl Tessie here.
Yeah, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to the waterfall in Kanto Lampo, and then we're going out of Tigalala and we're going to Sanur.
My tiny and your bully.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's Jeff's dino, guys.
It's tiny too.
Yeah.
So my favorite one, I had to give it to my class.
Okay, that's good, Jeffy. So after the waterfall, we're going to Sanur. Yeah, but before we get to the waterfall, we're just gonna stop by. Like, you know, I already mentioned in my previous video, it's Tessa's birthday. So we bought some things to give away. Cute girls who are around Tessa's age. So that's what we're doing. And then we're just gonna head over to the, like, you know, waterfall and have some fun. So thanks for tuning in.
Hi guys, we're at Kanto Lampo Waterfall and Lucy is about to get very wet.
That's a good one. Jeff, do you want to show them your Bali outfit? Come on, Jeffy. See, it says Bali there. Tessa, say hey.
Hey. I want to show them my belly. I want to show them my outfit.
Yeah. You like your outfit, Tessa?
Yeah.
Who's that one? Ogogo comes in different shapes and sizes. The other one that I saw had 6 hands and 6 legs. We're gonna burn you. So here's the other Ogogo that I saw. This guy, they don't like him here. He's not a friendly guy. He gives bad energy. He's like a bad spirit. So they burn him at the graveyard. They have a ceremony for it.
Alright, thank you. Which one do you want to put? Let's just walk off together.
Yeah?
Alright, let me just.
So guys, we're just waiting in line here.
I'll say whatever. It's a great experience. Lovely experience. I mean, it's beautiful.
I'm kind of tickling it to just do it for me for the sake of the camera. But yeah, don't you like it? Like, other than that, don't you like it then?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Thanks for holding my bag.
You have to wait for a while. Come on, Jeff, catch up some more. Lovely place.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Come on, Tessa.
Save it spicy. Bill pakai kasihnya. Enjoy your food.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, we're now at the beach in Sanur. It's a pretty cool area and we love it. So don't forget to follow your dreams, guys, because life is short. Don't put your eggs in one basket because life is unpredictable. I hope you like the video and thank you for watching. Until next time, we say bye. I like it.
Ku coba meraba-raba hati, warnai gejolak di sini, alihkan semua rahasia, tak bergen dalam suasana.